How to transfer USDT from SafePal wallet to Binance step-by-step guide. Imagine you've just received a profitable trade signal, and time is ticking. You need to move your USDT from SafePal to Binance, fast. But one small mistake could mean losing your funds forever. Scary, right? Well, not anymore. Today, I'll walk you through a foolproof, step-by-step guide to securely transfer your USDT from SafePal wallet to Binance without any hassle. Step 1. Understanding SafePal and Binance. Before we get into the actual transfer process, let's quickly understand why SafePal and Binance are a powerful combination. SafePal wallet is a decentralized crypto wallet that lets you store, manage, and transfer assets securely. Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange, where you can trade, stake, and invest in digital assets. Moving USDT between them is easy, but you need to follow the right steps to avoid delays or high fees. Step 2. Log into your SafePal wallet. Open the SafePal app on your mobile device. Enter your PIN or use biometric authentication to log in. Navigate to your USDT wallet. Make sure your USDT is on a compatible network, e.g., TRC20 or BEP20, to avoid unnecessary fees. Lightbulb pro tip: if your USDT is on the Ethereum ERC20 network, fees will be higher compared to TRC20 Tron network. Step 3. Retrieve your Binance deposit address. Now, let's get your USDT deposit address from Binance. Open the Binance app or website and log in. Go to Wallets of Fiat and Spot. Search for USDT and click on Deposit. Choose the correct network, TRC20, BEP20, or ERC20, that matches your SafePal USDT. Copy the deposit address displayed on Binance. Lightbulb pro tip: always double-check the network to prevent losing funds. If you send USDT via the wrong network, you may not be able to recover it. Step 4. Initiating the transfer on SafePal. Now, let's send your USDT from SafePal to Binance. In the SafePal app, go to your USDT wallet. Click on Send. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Select the same network you chose on Binance, e.g., TRC20. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Review the transaction fee and confirm if you have enough balance to cover it. Tap Confirm and authorize the transaction. Lightbulb pro tip: if the transaction fee seems too high, consider switching to a lower-cost network like TRC20. Step 5. Verifying the transfer. Once the transfer is initiated, here's how to track it. Go to SafePal Wallet USDT transactions and check the status. Use a blockchain explorer like TronScan for TRC20 or BSCScan for BEP20 to track the transaction. Binance will notify you once the funds arrive, usually within a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Lightbulb pro tip: if your funds don't arrive within the expected time, check the transaction hash on the blockchain to see if it was processed successfully. Final thoughts. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your USDT from SafePal to Binance in just a few simple steps. Now, you're ready to trade, invest, or cash out. By following this guide, you've ensured a secure, smooth, and cost-effective transfer without any stress. Stay smart, double-check addresses, and keep your assets safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.